For full body therapy, Niagara offers a range of custom-designed recliners and adjustomatic sleep systems. Handcrafted and hand-built in our Brisbane factory, the Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum recliner systems combine traditional fine furniture craftsmanship and cutting-edge technical design to deliver full-body, state-of-the-art cycloid vibration therapy. The Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum series have a modern zero-gravity reclining system that cradles your back and elevates your legs above your heart. It is specifically designed to disperse body weight evenly across the entire chair to maximise comfort and minimise aches and pains. You really have to feel it to believe it. Both the Cloud and Platinum systems feature Niagara's unique CVT motors, located snugly in the back, seat and leg areas. The Niagara Apollo Cloud can also feature Rollerssage, which provides a soothing massage experience for your back. Another terrific option to maintain your independence now and well into the future is the electric lift function. With the press of a button, the Apollo recliners effortlessly lifts you up and out of the chair for an easy and safe exit. The elegant and handsome design and the easy-to-use remote control allows you to program your CVT session for when it suits you best. The custom recliners come in a range of luxurious and tasteful fabrics, including leather, to complement your home decor. All Niagara recliners are artisan-made and hand-stitched to ensure a quality and enviable addition to your home.